I'm thinking most of this is BAPE Marvel. After dropping the 6 heroes from the first drop after 17 years, BAPE and Marvel comes with the second drop with 3 new heroes. Spider-Man. Yeah, I'll probably put a Tobey Maguire clip in there. Sorry guys, I'm a Tobey guy. Andrew Garfield and Tom Holland are cool, but I'm an old head, so. Venom. Yeah, I wasn't able to get my hands on Venom.
God damn! God damn!
You are a loser. Doctor Strange. Alright, let's open these bad boys up. So we'll start off with the Spider-Man first since it's OG, and then we'll move on to the new hero, Doctor Strange. So just like the packaging from the first drop, we got that comic book backing. On the back side, we got that Spider-Man red. And here on the front side, we have the full color. And here they are. These bad boys is super clean. So if I remember right, just like the OGs, these new ones, the color scheme is exact. Reds on the toe cap, eyelet row, heel counter, heel tab, and that outsole. Blues on the toe box, both quarters, that midsole, and that embroidered BAPE STA text logo on the heel tab, and the blacks on the BAPE STA, and the BAPE on the midsole, which obviously was 8 on the OGs. And the highlight of the shoe, which we all know just like every other new Marvel BAPE STA, we got that embossed Spider-Man print. This print having his whole body, but the OGs was just the head. And here's the other shoe, everything the same except the embroidered Marvel logo on the heel counter. These do kind of remind me of Cap a little bit, just opposite in the color scheme. Almost forgot them insoles. And here they are, same graphics as the back of the packaging. You know, when people say Spider-Man BAPE STAs, they automatically think 05, but them 2012s, all black and gray, and actually the Ape logo was wearing a Spider-Man mask. And if I remember right, there was a BAPE graphic on the heel counter in this kind of comic book font text. Yeah, those were pretty clean too. Well, there goes the Spider-Mans. What y'all guys think? Alright, now even though I didn't get no Venom BAPE STAs, I remember seeing some bootlegs a while back, and I think they were black and red. And on the heel counter, I think it was like Venom's face or head or something like that on Instagram or TikTok or something. And I thought that'd be kind of cool if BAPE and Marvel dropped some Venom BAPE STAs. And well, they did, and
So you pre-planned disrespect.
Last but not least, Doctor Strange.
I think you'll find our will equal to yours.
And here's the back end for Doctor Strange. I'm kind of noticing. Yeah, almost no speech bubble for Doctor Strange. Yeah, Spider-Man do be kind of talking a lot more.
Those wings carbon fiber, playing the rigidity-flexibility ratio.
I don't know if you've been in a fight before, but there's usually not this much talk.
And here's the color side front, doing his thing all throughout the multiverse. Bam, and here they are, the Doctor Strange BAPE STAs. Off top, in my opinion, a lot more wearable compared to Spider-Man. Also, they do kind of remind me of Black Widow. A lot of the same colors, just different color placement. Got that nice blues, blacks, reds, and yellows. And of course the highlight, that embossed print. Got that vintage Doctor Strange. He got a tall cloak, don't he?
Stop.
He'll have to turn his whole body just to look left and right. And here's the other shoe with the embroidered Marvel logo. And here are the insoles. Well, there it is, guys, the Doctor Strange. Though it's the least popular out of the three, still a clean shoe. Well, there it is, you guys, the Spider-Man, the Doctor Strange, and no Venom. I'll eventually get them. What y'all guys think about this second drop? Now, they are planning to drop 2 more. I wonder if it's gonna be an OG character, or a new character, or both. We'll just have to see. Now, I think I got one more video for you guys before the end of the year, but just in case, happy holidays to all you Bape heads, apes together strong, and I'll see you guys in 2023. Peace!